Hey guys, Ford Man here. Today we're going to do a taste test review on Slim Jim um, Fire Fries flavored potato sticks called Buffalo Fury. I got these from Gypsy and the Vanilla and the Gorilla. If you're not connected with Gypsy and the Vanilla Gorilla, I highly recommend checking out their channel. Uh, they do a lot of yard selling, um, like they go to different thrift stores. They do a lot of adventure videos, um, and they're really nice people. If you ever get to meet them in person, you won't regret it because they are down to earth people. So and they do live streaming every Monday night. As tonight will be the first night that they do a live stream at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's gonna be from like 7 until 9. So come on over there. That they have a different topic each week, and you're more than welcome to come up on panel and talk about the topic, and just have a good old time over there. Anyway, we're going to do a taste test review on these Slim Jim Fire. If I can get them open. There we go. Boy, they smell spicy. Here's what they look like. Mmm. Guys. Mmm. You ever get a hold of one of these? These are definitely spicy. On a scale of 1 to 10, these are definitely a 10. Mm. Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to get off of here and enjoy the rest of these. And I'm making this actually part of my supper, considering I had liver cheese sandwiches and some pepper jack cheese. And surprisingly, believe it or not, I did not have any hot sauce on my liver cheese sandwiches. and so I'm on I, I bought some liver cheese to help build up my dad's iron. Um, he found out today that he's gonna have to take iron shots every 3 weeks. So he's gonna have to go every 3 weeks to get an iron shot. So anyway, guys, and we thank everyone for all the prayers and concerns and things. But anyway, uh, but I did have mustard on my liver cheese sandwiches, but no hot sauce. I didn't have any hot sauce today. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get off here and enjoy the rest of these, and I will see you guys next video. And remember, the Gypsy and the Vanilla Gorilla comes on at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gonna be on from 7 until 9. So, I will see you guys next video. Bye, guys.